Yes, sir. What's the deal, everybody on YouTube? It's your boy KinfolkKari coming back at y'all with another banger, man. And as y'all can tell by the title, man, your boy finally copped him a pair of Yeezys, man. But before we get into them things, I need y'all to like the video up, sub up, ring that bell, man. But without further ado, let's get straight to it.
Cougar is the truth. 79 might just take off the roof.
Alright, man, starting off with the box, man. I'm pretty sure y'all seen this box 1,000 times before already, man. But we're gonna get into it anyway. Got your regular 350 printed on top of that thing, man. Yeezy Boost 350 made by Adidas. Size sticker reads Yeezy Boost 350 V2 size 12. Colors is MX Oat, MX Oat, MX Oat. And man, with the sizing on these things, I would say, man, if you can go up like half a size on these, bro. I wear a 12 though. That's what I went ahead and just stuck with. I stuck with a 12. But what I usually do is pull the insole out and just rock them without the insole, man. It works just fine for me. It kind of it frees up a lot more space than what you would think, and so it gives me like a perfect fit. And you won't wear out your midsole. Free game. Just in case you want to sell them or something like that, you show them the midsole. Be like, man, I only wore these things like one time, bro. You welcome. Jumping right into these things, man. You got your drawer-like shoe box. One shoe, two shoe. Boom, there we go, man. The 350 MX Oats things. I forgot to tell y'all, I forgot to mention, October 23rd was the release date for these things. So if y'all didn't cop them already, I know I'm getting this video out a little late. I'm pretty sure you're going to be able to find them on StockX or Gold if you want to grab these things, man. First impressions, man, I'm feeling these things, bro. I'm digging the little Coogee sweater vibes all on top of these things. This is actually my first pair of Yeezys. I had some 380s before. I ain't really liked them. I just copped them because they was available. But bro, yeah, these are my first pair of 350s though, man. I had the opportunity to cop some other ones in the past, bro. They was cool, you know what I mean? If I was to cop them, it would just be because of the hype, you know what I mean? But I didn't really like them, so I passed on them. But these is one I was like, okay, yeah, I'm feeling these. I can see myself rocking these. Because, man, these colorways that's been coming out, bro, they been trash low-key, bro. They been real basic. Like, my top Yeezy that came out are, like, the first ones, the ones that was all black with, like, the orange stripes, the tan stripes. Like, those was hard. I like them zebra joints, both zebras. Let me see what else. That's pretty much all I can really think of that's just, like, a must-cop Yeezy for me. The rest of them, man, they cool and all, you feel me? If you can grab them for retail, but not for no resale value. But man, these right here, I like the route they going with these, man. With that MX mix colorway design, whatever you'll call it, man. Kind of remind me of the foam runners that dropped, man. They kind of got that same little pattern, you know what I mean? Mixed material type pattern. I'll probably put some pictures of them somewhere over. Digging these though, and it's supposed to be another MX colorway coming out sometime in December, November, something like that. I'll leave a picture of that somewhere too. It's like a darker colorway. Those look pretty dope too. But man, that's enough talking. Let's jump into the details. Starting from the bottom, you got your exposed boost on the bottom, man, with that regular Yeezy traction. And that cream translucent sole going all around these things, bro. With that mix pattern going all across with that woven fabric material, whatever you would call this. I like it though. It's very, very comfortable on feet. You got your hits of cream, orange, yellow, and blue. Kind of look like flames. I heard somebody mention that before. I can definitely see that, man. With your translucent stripe going across these things. Cream, kind of translucent pull tab on the back with your cream rope laces. And man, these laces are kind of different from the past Yeezys. They got like a plastic material around these things. It kind of make it hard to lace these up. I ain't gonna cap. It looks nice, but it's not really helpful. They look good though, but I don't know, man. Because the shoelace keep getting untied, you know what I mean, because of it. But they still look good though. jumping into the insole, and like I said, bro, I usually just pull these things out and just rock them without the insole. It feels just like rocking an NMD if y'all had those before, but with way more boost. But yeah, man, there go your insole right there. Adidas Yeezy with that cream all around it. Super, super clean, dope shoe. Only thing is gonna be kind of tough trying to find an outfit with these, bro. But that's kind of a good thing, though, because once you do finally find something that match with these, bro, it's gonna make the fit 10 times better. But that's enough talking about these things. Let's jump into that on feet. Yes, sir. So that basically concludes the review for these things, bro. And seeing them on feet makes me like them 10 times better, bro. Like I said, this is my first pair of 350s, bro. Not my first pair trying on, but first pair trying on in a little minute, bro. And I forget how comfortable these things are. But like I said before, though, definitely try them on if you can. But if you can't, definitely go true to size or go half a size up on these things, bro. Because they're super, super tight. Y'all let me know down there in the comments if y'all copped them. These are trash, not y'all cup of tea, cup of Kool-Aid, or if it would. And also don't forget to like the video up, sub up, man, and ring that bell. It's your boy KinfolkKari. I'm out.